Hello, my name is Neudis Ospina. I am 28 years old. I'm from Colombia and I live in Valledupar. I work in commerce. I study English at UNAD. I am married. My husband is engineer. His name is Alberto Mario. He is 35 years old. We have beautiful daughter. Her name is Mia Celeste. She is 2 years old. I have a house in Valledupar. My house is not very big, but the living room is our favorite place. There's a large door with the view to the garden. My neighbors are nice and the children enjoy playing in my house. I like vacation. The beach is my favorite place. We enjoy a lot as a family. I have a special book. I like to read at night. In the morning, I make a delicious breakfast that we enjoy together with that television. In my daily routine, I wake up at 6 in the morning. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I shower. Breakfast at 7 in the morning with my husband and my daughter. I swash. I brush my hair. I perfume. I go to work at 8 in the morning. I get home at noon. We eat a delicious family lunch. I take up 15 minute nap. I go to work at 2 in the afternoon. I study English. I have dinner with my family. I watch television as a family. I go to bed 10:30 every night. Thank you. Goodbye.